Hello guys, I want to share commenting in Python. There are two main types of commenting. The first one is single line comment and the second type is multi-line comment. Here you can see these are multi-line comments. So for the first one, single line comment, is start with this sign, the sharp sign, and then you can write anything in that line. For multi-line, you can start with 3 of double quote or 3 of single quote, and then you can write anything in between like this and this. If you prefer to use single line as your multi-line comment, that's fine, you can do it this way. Most of the time it will be useful for you to add some description to your function or some point that you want to point out, or even you can add something like to do or note. Or like this. It's good to have comment in your code because sometimes you will forget why you did it this way. And that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching.